Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy juice, updated. Gather fresh strawberries, lemon juice, a small scoop of spun sugar, ice, and soda water, then rinse fruit and chill glassware. Measure 1 cup fruit, 2 tablespoons lemon, and 1 tablespoon spun sugar, then crush ice finely. Blend ingredients on medium for 30 seconds until smooth and fluffy, taste for sweetness, adjust as needed, and serve immediately with a cotton candy garnish. Blend fruit first to a silky puree, then add spun sugar slowly to maintain the airy candy aroma without clumping. Use crushed ice to help emulsify and cool quickly, blending just until velvety. If the mixture is too thick, add a tablespoon of soda water at a time to keep that floaty texture. Taste as you go, balancing sweet and tart, and pour into chilled glasses topped with a small cotton candy tuft for presentation. If this cotton candy juice tutorial is helping you, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel and helps me make more content. Quick recommendation. I also love using a fresh scent in my car between grocery runs. Little Tree's Black Ice adds a clean vibe that pairs oddly well with dessert vibes. Look in the description for a link and other deals you might like. Then now let's get back to the video. Experiment with fruits to create unique cotton candy juice variations that still carry that signature aroma. Watermelon gives a milder base, grape yields a deeper candy note, and ripe berries offer brightness. Adjust spun sugar to match fruit sweetness. For lower sugar, use a touch of cotton candy extract combined with a natural sweetener. Always serve right away to capture the scent, and consider chilled glasses and small garnishes to enhance the experience for guests or kids.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.